Okay, last couple things I forgot to mention. Mentioned the lighting before, but when turn signals are all LEDs, and then I've even got these lights mounted. If you turn the turn signals on, for instance, see how that looks up front. And then I forgot to mention even back here. See how that I got a couple different types of lights there, again just for visibility purposes. And then I forgot to mention the Legend suspension I put in back here with an adjustable bracket that lowers it by about an inch. And then the last thing I forgot to mention is up here I've actually got USB power. This is my little clamp I use with a quad lock piece, so I can mount my phone up here, so I can run that powered the whole time. So anyway, and then here's the switch for those additional driving lights there. So anyway, just to mention a couple other things that I've done to it. So